Hello everyone, welcome all to Physics with Astronautics. So in this video we will basically discuss about the general aptitude of 2022 CVT paper for PG entrance. So let's begin. So here is our first question, and the question asked here is: from among the four given options, choose the most appropriate sequences of the four phrases below to make a meaningful sentence. So here we are given with the four sentences and we have to make it into a appropriate sequence. So the first sentence says turn to the next step, then once you got to the end. The third says to find the correct answers, and the fourth of the quiz. So here our answer will be: once you got to the end of the quiz, turn to the next step to find out the correct answers. So the answer will be B, D, A and then C. Then choose the correctly spelled word. So here the word is basically egalitarian, and which means that a person who advocates or supports the principle of equality for all people. And we have to choose the correctly spelled word. So here the option B is the correct answer. So answer is option B. Then choose the correct sentence, and here the option A says camera is a piece of equipment used to take photographs. Then camera is a piece of equipment used for taking photographs. Then camera is a piece of equipment used to taking photographs. And option D says camera is the piece of equipment used on taking photographs. And here option B is the correct answer, that says camera is a piece of equipment used for taking photographs. Then match list 1 with list 2, and here we have to match with their antonyms. So our first word is lively, which means that full of life and energy. So here the antonym will be dull, which means lacking or excitement. So one with D. Then release, which means set free, and here its antonym is jake, which means stop or slow the progress. So two with C. Then bother, which means trouble or difficulty to do something, and here its antonym is comfort, which means feels distress or trouble free. Then appreciate, which means recognize the full worth of or praise of something, and the antonym of it will be discredit, which means lack of respect. So here the answer will be 1 with D, 2 with C, 3 with A and 4 with B. So option A is the correct answer. Then from among the four options given, choose the word that is opposite in the meaning to professional. So basically we know that professional means being to a profession, and here the options are unemployed, student, amateur and executive. So here the option C is the correct answer, which means done in an incomplete way or non-professional. Then identify the correct direct narration for the following sentence. And here the sentence given is Moti asked Gangu whether the latter was in his sense. And here the options you can see. So the option C will be the right answer, that is Gangu, are you in your sense? Asked Moti. Then which of the following is a one word substitute for a government by the wealthy? So here the options are oligarchy, aristocracy, plutocracy and kleptocracy. So which means is oligarchy means a small group of people having control of a country or organization. Then aristocracy means a highest class in certain societies, which were born with the classic family. Then plutocracy, which means a government by the wealthy. So here option C is the correct answer. Then kleptocracy, which means a society, a system ruled by people who use their power to steal their country's resources. Then pick out the synonym of the word optimist. So synonym means we know that with the same meaning. So destructive is obviously the opposite one. Then disappointed is also opposite. Funny is also quite opposite. So here the option C, that is hopeful, is similar to optimist. So here the option is uh, C, that is hopeful, is the correct answer. Then fill up the verb from the correct form of verb. Neither of the two plants decks approved, and we have to fill out with words where, watch, weaving, and head. So here the correct answer will be was, that is neither of the two plants was approved. Then identify the passive voice for the following sentence. And here the sentence is, do not insult the people. So basically we can consider it as a command that somebody is telling us that do not insult the poor. And we have to find out the passive voice of this sentence. And here the option A says the poor are not insulted. This is not the correct answer. Then the poor should not be insulted. This is also not the correct answer. Option C says let the poor not be insulted. So option C is the correct answer, and option D says let the poor be not insulted. This is grammatically incorrect. So here option C is the correct answer. I hope you all enjoy this session. So for more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.